No Photoshop, no Canva, just words, and this free AI tool turns your ideas into images and edits them too. This is Google AI Studio, and what most people don't know is you can edit your AI generated images just by telling it what to change. In this video, I'll show you how to create viral scroll stopping images from scratch and then rewrite your prompts to transform them without needing any design skills or paid tools. And yes, you can do all of this from your phone for free. Alright, so let's head over to Google AI Studio. Alright, so I have a prompt here. I'm just going to paste it in here and then go up here and change the model I'm using. I'm going to pick Gemini 2.0 and I'll pick the flash image generation. Okay, that's the model we are going to use. So we'll just hit on the run button and we wait for it to create our image for us. Alright, so that's our image over here. I think it's a good one we got here. It followed our prompts, so let's just save it and then try doing some editing. Okay, so we saved. So what do we write? Okay, so let's say change the avatar to, and we hit on the run button. Let's see what we get. Okay, I think our image remained consistent. Yes, so we just tap on the image and download it. Tap on the next one and download it onto your device. It gets straight into your device. Okay, yeah. Now let's try another prompt. Like I said, I have some already made prompts. I'm just copying and pasting them in here. So the next prompt we are trying to create is just a simple mug on a table, like a plain mug on a table. Okay, so we hit on the run button and see what we get. Okay, our mug is generated. Like I mentioned, it's just a simple mug. So we just tap on it and download it onto our device. Now let's edit it. Okay, make the mug glow with magical sparkles, add a warm sunlight. Okay, so that's what we got here. I think here it made our mug shorter, but all the same it's not that bad. Let's try a different one. We just download our image by just long pressing, then download. Let's try a different prompt. So we're just saying like write savvy on the mug. So let's verify that. So savvy in black on the mug. Okay, savvy in black. So we hit the run button and we wait for it. Okay, that's it here. I think you did a good job. Let's try more examples to see how feasible it is to use this tool. Let's see how far it can go. Alright, so I just want to create a whimsical house in the cloud. Okay, let's see what we get. Alright, so for this, it's actually created a small house on the map. That's not what we want. So let's re-prompt it and see what we get. Okay, so I'm just re-pasting the prompts I did earlier, and then I'm asking it to take away the mark from beneath it. Okay, let's see how it adheres to this instruction. Okay, I'm still not impressed with what we got, so at this juncture we'll have to start a new chart. So let's tap on the new chart and then go paste that same prompt in it. Okay, still using the same image generation model. Okay, we paste our prompt and hit the run button, and we wait for it to generate. So over here, and then it created for me, and I added that issue I Savvy AI Studio behind in the clouds in yellow, and it did for me. Okay, I thought I was recording, but not knowing the recording has stopped. So sorry, guys. And then I also asked it to put it on the ground in a nice environment, and it gave me this, as you can see. Alright, so over here I'm just asking the AI to give me 3D avatars of a boy and a girl in the background. So it's loading. Let's see what we get. I'm just using simple sentences and words, nothing too sophisticated. And I can see it's actually working. Okay, so that's what we got. The kids are on the background, in the background. So that's it. So here's what we've discovered so far. In order for the AI to follow our instructions exactly during editing, we either need to start a fresh chart for each image we want to work on, or we upload the image before making any changes. Now that we've got that part clear, let's take things a step higher. We are going to test how well it performed by creating a flyer from scratch and then making a few edits to see how far we can push it. Wow, our flyer came out quite nice. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think about this flyer of the 10th birthday bash happening live 10th August? Alright, so now that we've generated the flyer, let's try making a few changes to it. So let's do the editing. We want to change so we just download it onto your device. If you like it, then let's change the Saturday in the flyer to Sunday and see what we get. Alright, it didn't quite get that. So let's do a last try and see if this follows this time. Okay, looks like we can't get that on our flyer. Looks like it's not really letting us edit the text or layout properly. So here's what we are discovering. For complex designs like this, the AI struggles a bit. It doesn't quite follow all our instructions the way we would expect. Interesting, right? Now let's test it with something simpler, like a YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to change the text. So I have my prompt, I'm just going to paste it and tap on the run button, still using the flash image generation. Okay, it's done. And that's a thumbnail. So to edit it, let's just say just one person downloaded, that's all. So to edit it, I'm just going to say, okay, let's edit it to this is free and unlimited. Let's see what we get. Okay, it has given us, that's not bad. Remember to always save your work if you want to get a copy of it, else you lose it and you're never gonna get it back. Okay, so always go up there and save it. And there we go, it actually worked. So it looks like when we keep the design minimal, the edits come out way better. That's definitely something we can take note of. So I think you can agree, Google AI Studio is pretty impressive, especially for creating and editing images with just text. But as we just saw, it works better with simpler designs like thumbnails and not so much with detailed layouts like flyers, at least for now. Either way, this gives us a lot to work with, and the best part, we are doing all of this for free, straight from our phone. And that's how easy it is to create eye-catching images and edit them using nothing but Google AI Studio, straight from your phone. No expensive software, no fancy laptop, just your creativity and a free tool hiding in plain sight. Now here's the best part. In the next video, I'll show you how to unlock even more advanced features of this tool that most people don't even know exist. If this helped you or gave you ideas for your own projects, go ahead and like this video and don't forget to subscribe because we are going to keep testing tools like this and finding smarter, easier ways to grow and earn using just AI and your phone. And in my next video, I'll be showing you more advanced ways to use this tool. See you in the next one.